at the end of the class, I will take a video. Our lesson today is about component of car. You are at the automobile department, you are the AP department, you must know about component of the car. And today, I will take you into parking area. I will show a car, either my car, and you should say it. You must know that what is a component of a car. Maybe in the car you will find it about a steer, you will find it a wheel, you will find it a wiper, and maybe a scooter, wherever. And also inside the car and outside the car. Okay. Before we come for parking area, I will show it in your mobile phone. I will show for you the picture of component of the car. Each of you consists of 6 students. I will call you 6 students, come for parking area. I will take you video, I will take you photo, and you must say, what's this one? I just select this one. What's this one? Is it a butt wheel? Is it a bonnet? Is it about a lamp? Is it a headset? Is it like this one? Okay, get it? I will take you into parking area. Before we come to parking area, I will show you for you in our class what is a component of a car. Right? What is component of car? As far as like this one, did you know that what is component of car do you know? Di mobil itu apa-apa aja yang you know? Which one that you know? What does it mean wheel? Okay, right, we said it right. And wheel, where do you find a wheel? Where we put a wheel? Where the wheel? Wheel itu di mana? Where the wheel? Inside or bottom of car? Bottom of car. What other? You know about a wheel. Okay, what other? What is an engine? What does it mean engine? Machine. Okay, right. Where do you find a machine? Inside a car. Okay, what other? What is that other that you remember? Wiper. What does it mean wiper? What does it mean wiper? Okay, what does it mean wiper? Is that this one? Yeah. What does it mean here?
Clean.
Yeah. For clean. For clean. Sometimes for clean and mirror. Okay. What other that you remember? You know a wheel. You know that wiper. Okay. What does it mean? What does it mean here? Chair. Is it about a chair? Okay. What other that you remember in a car? You know engine. You know a wiper. You know a wheel. Okay. What other? Is it a lamp? Right? Is it a lamp? What other? What other? Pardon? Speaker. Oh, speaker for what? Speaker for what? If you want to listen to music, you use a speaker. Okay. What other did you remember? Is it a lamp? Okay. If I want to stop my car, what should I use it? Now, what does it mean ramp in English? Brake, right? Okay. Kalau gigi-gigi tuas-tuas itu what does it mean? Tuas gigi satu, maksudnya what does it mean there?
Transmission.
Yeah. Transmission untuk Korea. Okay. Transmission. Okay. What other? Yeah. Brake. Okay. Pardon? Right. And boys, I not take your mobile. I not take your mobile. I will send in your group what is the component of a car. It's okay for you to take your mobile right now. Your mobile with you, but I will share it in your mobile. Right? Our lesson today will come for practice soon, and our lesson today is that I want you to show that I want you to say it, to mention what is the component of car. I will show it in my car. I just point it out. Saya hanya menunjuk. I just point it out. You tend to say it. What is the component name? Right? It begin from outside a car until inside a car, also from the engine. Okay. Well, how many that I want? Why you do for that one? I will take your video. Okay, get it? Who want to be the first one? Who want to be the first one? Who want to be the first? Siapa want to be the first? Fajar first. Okay, come on. Stand for Fajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wait, Fajar. What's this one?
Key.
Come on. one.
Bumper. Hood. Bonnet. Rear view. Windshield. Wiper. Tire.
Trim.
Trim. Ya. Door.
Dashboard.
Dashboard.
Okay. You go there. You go there. Open it. Open it.
Damn it.
Open.
Steer.
Steering.
Brake.
Clutch.
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 Ya, Miss.
Gear.
Gear shift. Seats. Speedometer. Fuel. Wheel.
Fuelmeter.
Iya.
Close it.
Close it. Masih terkunci nak, Miss.
Masih ya, Miss.
Masih terkunci.
Stop it. Stop it. Stop.
Alright.
Tuh. Awas,
Come on,
masih
come on,
panas
son.
ya. Awas, masih panas.
Iya, iya.
Awas, masih panas. Ya.
This is
Oh.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lihat tuh, mobil saya ini enggak ada jalan jauh-jauh. Dari 2017
Bersih,
belum pernah saya
So clean.
ya.
So
Gitu.
clean.
Kita tuh masih
Clean.
bersih kan?
Yes, ma'am.
Karena dia jalan jauh.
This
Oke.
is engine.
Kita you turn for Peldi. Kan Peldi tadi belum
Iya,
saya.
Adit.
Adit lupa Miss. Oke, come on Adit. What's this one?
Baterai. Fuse. Cover head cylinder.
Ya.
Filter.
Oke.
Nak filter oil lah. Itu radiator.
Ke radiator.
Okay, gosh. What's this one? Engine.
Engine oil.
Engine oil.
Bumper, yes. Flida. Horn.
Okay, intake manifold.
Intake manifold gasket.
Okay. This one. Water.
Coolant. Cooler.
Okay, thank you, Paddy. That's enough for you.
Adit,
You
Miss.
just stand up there. Okay, Paddy, if you have a money, you want to buy a car.
Yes, I want.
What for a car?
GTR.
What for a car for you? What for? Untuk apa mobil baru?
For
Jalan-jalan ke school.
to school.
Right.
Yeah.
If the car doesn't have a wheel, what happen for a car? A car, if a car doesn't have a wheel, what happen for that?
Cannot drive.
Okay, good. It cannot drive.
Yes.
What is the function of radiator?
Radiator for cooling engine.
Okay. Thank you, Feli. You are nice. Okay,
Adit.
thank you, Adit.
Jadi tadi Feldi terus, Miss.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Stay there. Just stop it and step for you to say it. What is a component of a car? I'm pointing it for you, and you are mentioning it. What is the name of that? Right? Let me begin. Okay. What does this mean here?
Cover head cylinder.
Okay. What does mean this one?
Check oil.
Okay. This one?
Radiator.
Okay. Here?
Baterai. Fuse. fuse and relay,
Yeah, good.
shock breaker.
Oh, right. Yeah.
This is pipe radiator,
Okay.
pipe cooling,
This one.
exhaust chamber,
Okay, yeah.
water cooler,
Okay, good. Open that one. Open that one. Okay. Take a seat. Sit down.
steering, engine start, cooling,
Sen.
fan,
Ah.
wiper, dashboard, radio,
Okay. Right.
clutch pedal, brake,
Handbrake.
handbrake, brake, clutch, gas.
Okay. Thank you. That's it.
Handle, wipe, window, back glass, roof,
Right.
cup, back cup,
Ah.
back lamp,
Okay.
bumper.
Thank you. You are nice. Okay. Thank much. You stand up front. Tadi adik lah ini
Aditya
Aditya.
Ini Aditya Fajar, Miss.
Aditya Fajar ni Aditya
Aditya.
Adiansa. Ni Peldi.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, Bismillah. Begin, we take a photo video from Paddy. Paddy, it's time for you to point it out what is the component of car. We begin from inside a car, and after that one we come from outside a car. Please tell it to me what is the tool is. What is the tool name? Okay, come on.
Cover head cylinder, Miss. Check oil, Miss. Radiator. Water window, Miss. Itu aja, Miss. Ya, itu dia lah. Itu kan. Itu. Itu nggak salah. Radiator.
Okay.
Intake manifold.
Intake manifold.
Baterai. Relay.
Okay, good. And
Exhaust chamber.
okay, right. And here,
Wiper. Window. Mirror. Side mirror. Window.
open that.
Steering. Engine start. Dashboard. Full window. Coupling, Miss. Brake. Gas. Handbrake. Persneling, Miss.
Okay.
Roof. Window. Body. Stop lamp. Bonnet. Tire. Brake.
Thank you, baby. You want? Yes, Aditya, okay. Aditya ini baby. Come on. Abar lagi.
Aditya biasa.
Abar ya, Mas.
Ini Abrar, Miss.
Akbar, Miss.
Abrar. Okay. Adit, you are ready, Adit? Please, Adit, tell to me what is the component of the car. What is the tool of the car? Begin from inside the car. I'm pointing for you and you said it, please. Okay. Keep spirit. Come on.
Cover cylinder.
Hmm.
Actually,
Check oil.
check oil,
Engine oil.
oil engine, radiator. Is
Passer. Passer.
water wheel, horn, yes, baterai,
But, oh,
relay and fuse.
hmm.
Inside intake. Right. Bumet, wiper,
Okay.
back glass,
It's time for the third hour to start.
window, handle,
Take a seat.
steering, engine start, mirror,
Okay.
handling lamp,
Hmm.
handling gear,
Itu ending gear.
handling gear,
Itu ending gear. Ending gear. Hmm. Hmm.
this brake,
Hmm.
brake, gas,
Hmm. Okay. Right. Get inside. Okay.
road car, stop lamp.
Okay. Thank you, thank you. Adi, you are nice. Perjamu, you turn. You should say it for me. What is component of a car, right? I just pointed for this one, what that one, this one, and you said it about that one. And here we come for inside a car, or we come for engine, and we come for inside a car, also outside a car. We are very lucky, but I forgot that. Pak Sukri will help us what is the component of the car. Okay? Pak Sukri will guide you how to say about this one. Betul? Okay, come on. Who want to be the first one? Okay, Bismillah.
You have to know the component of the engine because will become the engineer of the engine, junior engineer. So, in the engine of the car, after we pick up, we open the cap of engine, you will see the components, something like this. What is it used? You can say it.
Yeah, please say it.
Relay. What the use of relay? Fuse.
Relay fuse.
Relay is used for growing up the power of electric to make the starter light. That's fuse too. Fuse is used for dissolving the short connections. That. Okay. This is the air filter.
Filter.
What an air filter means? Air filter is used for filtering the air will come to the intake manifold. This is intake manifold. Intake manifold is the place for entering fuel and air into the engine. That will have a combustion from the spark plug. This name is battery. Batteries is used for the source of the electric and also for collect the electric after the car runs well. That's is it called radiator check. What else? Cover.
Cover.
By opening this cover, you can see the value amount of the water in the radiator. After that, you have to explain it to your friends. Next is the cover of the engine. We open up the cover. We see what's the condition of the upper of engine. Is it oil check engine? Oil check engine for checking the amount of the oil. What that amount of oil? Okay. The amount of the oil in the oil check, we will see the lines. You can see the lines. This line. The lines too, we have the upper lower. Okay, we have to check and keep always the oil of the engine in the upper, not in the lower. Will damage the engine if the oil of the engine in the lower of the lines. Next, we see the cover for opening when we enter the new oil from this place. Engine oil, you can see that? The A.
Engine oil.
Okay. we insert the new oil engine into this hole. After that, let's horn. Let the horn, that's horn. Okay? Horn is used for giving any signs to the owner and other driver in front of or behind us. Use the horn. It is the brake oil.
Break.
Whatever. The brake oil is used for powering the brake from our feet when we driving car. Okay? One more time, you have to refuse what I have said to you from this. What is its name?
Okay.
It's, and it's.
This one. Okay. Begin from this one. What that one?
Force,
Yes.
filter, battery, radiator, coolant, manifold, intake manifold.
Okay.
Ini radiator, cover,
Okay.
engine oil,
Very good. You could read it. Just read.
You see that?
You should
Wiper.
read. Just read.
gas red wiper,
Dun, dun, dun.
horn,
Horn.
horn, oil brake,
Okay. No more?
No.
Okay. Just it and more.
suspension,
Inside it, suspension spring. Inside it, eh?
Okay. What happened for relay fuse? If there is something for this one, what happened for the car? What's that? Short?
It's used for this. Use the short connection.
Short
The
connection.
function of fuse.
Yeah, short connection. Okay. Just it. Okay, thank you. You are nice. Okay, just sit. You stay there. You are not finished yet. You just stay there. Okay, come on, your turn. Okay. Please tell it to me. What is a component of a car, like your friend before? I just pointed it for you and you said it, right? Okay, come on. Your turn first.
Suspension. Fuse. Relay fuse.
Okay.
Battery. Filter. Coolant. Intake radiator. Intake manifold. Radiator. Cover. Engine check oil.
Okay.
Washer fluid only. Horn. Brake oil.
Okay. Right. And all of this one, I think this is enough for you. And you are nice. Okay, you are really nice. Okay, your turn, please. Okay. Come on.
suspension,
Yeah.
relay fuse, battery, filter,
Air filter, yeah.
Air filter.
air filter, coolant, intake manifold,
Alright.
cover,
Radiator cake.
radiator cake, radiator,
Okay.
oil check engine,
Hmm?
washer fluid, horn, oil brake.
Okay. Thank you. You are nice. Right. Your turn, please. Rama. My favorite student, Rama.
Just proof. your
Suspension.
Hmm.
Relay fuse.
relay and fuse. That's both of
Relay
them.
and fuse.
Yes.
Battery. Filter. Intake
Coolant.
coolant. Intake manifold.
Right.
Radiator. Cover. Oil check engine. Wash wheel on horn.
On, eh?
On.
Water check
Not water. Oil brake.
oil
Oil
brake.
brake. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Your turn, please. We have become from this one. Yeah. To be louder.
Suspension. Suspension.
Suspension.
Relay fuse, intake, intake
Air filter.
Air
intake
filter.
manifold, filter, battery, intake,
Coolant. Just look what it says.
radiator,
Radiator cap.
radiator cap,
cap.
radiator, cover, oil engine,
Engine oil.
engine oil, waffle fluid, hot,
On.
horn, brake oil.
Brake oil. Okay, that's enough. Thank you. And 5 of you come here. Okay, 5 of you come here Two of you come here. Dua orang sini. You come here. Come inside. Okay, sit down. What's this one?
Steering. Engine start top.
Okay, thank you. Thank much.
Stick
I
Lamp?
guess. I guess.
ignition stick.
Okay.
Dashboard. Wiper.
Transmisi. Gear lever.
Gear
Kopling
lever.
Clutch.
Gear
Clutch. Gear clutch.
Handbrake.
Okay.
Coupling pedals.
Clutch.
Brake.
Brake.
Gas.
Okay. Right. Go outside. Your turn. What's this one?
Steer. Engine start. Dashboard.
Clutch.
Gear clutch. Brake.
Brake.
Clutch. Brake system.
Gas.
Gas.
Okay. Just sit. Okay. Thank you. You are nice. Come on. You. Sorry. I'm not sure your face. Sorry, right?
Kamen.
Steer. Engine start. Dashboard. Wiper.
Ignition.
Ignition.
Sign.
Wiper. Gear lever.
Ini clutch. Ini baru handbrake.
Handbrake. Brake. Gas pedal. Clutch.
Clutch. Okay. Go outside. And one of you? Satu lagi. Okay, come on. Take a seat. Okay. Oh, dia berat. Okay, come on. Just sit.
Steering.
Sign.
Dashboard. Speedometer. Engine start.
Clutch.
Gear clutch.
Yeah.
Brake.
Handbrake.
Brake. Coupling. Clutch. Gas.
Okay, thank you. It's so nice. Okay, just sit. Rama.
Sen. Dashboard.
Okay.
Engine start. Gear. Handbrake. Brake.
Clutch.
Gas.
Okay, thank you. Just enough. Thank you. And four of you, thank much. You know much about the car. And thank you for joining in our class. Back to class. Don't forget to do your exercise. Call the others to come here. Okay, thank you. Okay, assalamualaikum. It's a nice ride. And until we practice about tool and equipment, component of a car. Before you come for practice, I will explain it for you what is a tool event. Which you listen, okay? Right? And the first one, brake oil, horn, cover engine, oil checker, washer fluid, radiator, cup radiator, intake manifold, battery, fuse and relay, air suspension, suspension, cooler, cup radiator. Ya, satu kali lagi dari sini. Saya dari sini. Suspension, relay and fuse, battery, air filter, intake manifold, cooler, cup radiator, cover engine, check oil checker, brake oil, horn, and washer fluid. Who want to be the first one? Siapa yang mau pertama? Tidak ada anak tadi.
Dimas.
Ya. Bismillah. Bismillah, Dimas. Okay, I just pointed it for you. You said it. Saya tunjuk and you said it. Let me begin.
Brake oil. horn, cover engine, check oil, water pump, water fluid,
Washer.
radiator, cap radiator, intake, manifold, cooler, air filter, baterai, relay and push, suspension.
Thank you, Bang Dimas ganteng. Abang apa lagi? Okay, come on. Your name?
Rinaldi Akbar.
Rinaldi. Okay.
Oil brake, horn, cover engine, check oil, washer fuse, radiator, cap radiator, intake manifold, battery, fuse and relay, suspension, cooler.
Just it. Yeah, nice. Next. Okay, you go there if you are finished. Okay, come on. What is your name?
Fajil Farino.
Panchuri.
Oil bag, hand, cover engine, brake, washer fluid, oil beaker,
Checker.
oil checker, radiator, cap radiator, tank manifolds, oil filter, cooler, relay flush, battery, suspension, cooler.
Okay, thank you. Rinaldi, okay. Who's next?
Amen.
Yeah. Begin from this.
Suspension, relay and fuse, battery, air filter, cooler, intake manifold, cover radiator, aerator cup, oil checker, washer fluid, horn, oil brake.
Okay, who's next? Okay. How many? Okay, berdua. Oh, is your name?
Nasa mustaqim
Okay, come on.
oil brake, horn, washer hood, cover engine, oil checker, radiator, cover radiator, intake manifold, cooler, air filter, baterai, fuse and relay, suspension.
Okay, what other? Abang Ucup?
Horn, oil brake, cap engine, washer fork, oil checker, filter,
Intake.
intake monitor, radiator, cap radiator, oil filter, baterai, post relay, post monitor, suspension, filter,
Cooler.
cooler,
Okay, that's it. Andes.
oil brake, horn, cover engine, washer fluid, check oil, inter manifold, cap radiator, baterai, cooler, relay and fuse, suspension, cooler.
That's it. Right, more? Abang Rahul. Brake oil.
Brake oil, horns, cap engine, water oil checker, cap radiator, intake manifold, cooler, battery, relay and fuse,
Lagi long jet lah.
suspension, air filter.